My name is Rich Hanlon. I'm your Wild Neighbors Nature Connection Nature Guide. It's April 7th, and I want to invite you to experience 1 minute of the Springtime Symphony here in the northern reaches of New York's Adirondack Park. Among the voices you will hear are winter wren, brown creeper, and dark-eyed junco. But then, sometimes it's enough just to let the symphony as a whole wash over us and allow the voices of these early springtime songsters to blend together in symphony.